look at this world, floating silently in the dark. It is the smoothest object in the entire solar system. From a distance, it looks perfect, like a polished pearl or a marble made of white glass. It reflects sunlight so intensely, it shines like a diamond against the black void. It looks innocent. It looks peaceful. But do not be fooled. If you were to stand on the surface of Europa, you wouldn't find peace. You would find a nightmare. The surface isn't smooth glass. It is a frozen wasteland of jagged ice, hard as granite and sharp as razor blades. The temperature drops to minus 160 degrees. It is cold enough to shatter steel like glass. Your spacesuit would freeze solid in seconds. Your movements would stop. But the cold isn't what should scare you. The real horror isn't what is on the surface. The real horror is what is hiding 15 miles beneath your feet. Something is waiting down there. And today, we are going to dive in. Why haven't humans ever landed on Europa? The answer is Jupiter. Europa is locked in a deadly dance with the king of planets. Jupiter isn't just a planet. It is a monster of gravity and magnetism. It spins so fast that it generates a magnetic field thousands of times stronger than Earth's. This field acts like a giant particle accelerator. It traps high-energy radiation and hurls it outward into space. Unfortunately, Europa orbits directly inside this firing line. It is an invisible fire. If you landed there, your electronics would fry, your cameras would dissolve into static, and your DNA would begin to unravel before you could even radio for help. Europa is a radioactive hellscape. But here's the irony. This deadly radiation may be the key to creating life. For decades, astronomers stared at Europa and wondered, is it just a solid ball of ice, or is something hidden beneath the shell? We couldn't see inside it, and drilling through miles of granite-hard ice was impossible. So how do we know what is down there? Are we just guessing? In the 1990s, Galileo flew past Europa carrying a special instrument, a magnetometer. Think of it as an incredibly sensitive compass. As Galileo passed close to the moon, its compass went wild. Something inside Europa was pushing back against Jupiter's magnetic field. Something was conducting electricity. Now, solid ice is a very poor conductor of electricity. Rock doesn't conduct electricity well either, but there is one substance that does. Salt water. The data was undeniable. The only explanation that fits the measurements is a global ocean, a vast layer of salty liquid water encircling the entire moon. Models suggest it's 100 kilometers deep. That's 10 times deeper than the Mariana Trench. Europa contains more liquid water than all of Earth's oceans combined. But there's a problem. Europa is far from the sun. It should be frozen solid. So how can liquid water exist in this eternal cold? The answer is gravity. Europa orbits Jupiter, whose gravitational pull is immense. but it's also tugged by its neighboring moons, Io and Ganymede. This constant gravitational tug-of-war stretches and squeezes Europa's interior. Every few days, the moon flexes. Deep inside Europa, friction keeps the rocky core warm. This heat rises upward, which means the bottom of Europa's ocean isn't cold and dead. It's alive with energy. Scientists believe the seafloor hosts hydrothermal vents, cracks in the crust that release heat and minerals into the water. On Earth, we call these black smokers. And on Earth, wherever we find them, we find life. Over millions of years, Europa's surface cracks, shifts, and churns. Chunks of oxygen-rich ice slowly sink downward, delivering oxygen into the hidden ocean below. It's a natural conveyor belt. Models suggest this ocean is chemically rich, perhaps rich enough to support more than just bacteria. What might live there? Creatures that have evolved in darkness for billions of years wouldn't need eyes. They might sense vibrations. They might use sonar or use bioluminescence to communicate and hunt in the dark. Would they be small? Or could the low gravity of Europa allow them to grow enormous? We simply don't know. And that uncertainty is what makes it terrifying. Science fiction author Arthur C. Clarke once issued a warning. All these worlds are yours, except Europa. Attempt no landing there. Perhaps he was right. Perhaps some doors should remain closed. But humans are explorers. Curiosity is written into our DNA. Right now, NASA's Europa Clipper mission is on its way. It will scan the ice with radar. It will analyze towering plumes of water erupting into space. We are standing at the edge of a discovery that could change everything. If we find even a single microbe on Europa, it would mean life is not rare. It would mean the universe is alive. Until then, Europa spins silently through the darkness, guarding its secrets beneath a frozen shell, waiting for us to knock.